Hope everybody is having a good day. Let's open this tripod. Now I know there's not a few videos out there, but let's see here. I heard nothing but good reviews here, so let's check it out. See what this baby comes with here. Alright. Love and thank you. Bluetooth remote instructions. Okay, as you can see, official website. And the beauty here. Let's see. Now, I have a Galaxy S22 Ultra. I'm gonna pause it and see if it fits because I can't show it because I'm using my phone right now. But as you can see, it comes with the Android, and as you can see, the iOS, and it says Android. Take a picture, and it comes with to detach. You know, this goes pretty good. I think hopefully this goes as, hope this fits my phone, but we'll see. I'll let you guys know, see how it goes. Just to let you know, this is for, I think this is for when you use it for the GoPro. I think right here, it's for the GoPro right here, so pretty good to know. But hey, everybody, I'm gonna pause it. I'm gonna see if it fits, and I'll be right back. So stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Alright, everybody, I'm back. I just checked to see if it fits my Galaxy S22 Ultra, and it does fit, everybody. It does fit. It actually goes pretty wide there. But yes, everybody, this is really good, really firm. You can have it, of course, this way, or have it this way, of course, standing up. As you can see, let's move up the camera a little bit here. So as you can turn it around this way. As you can see, yeah. And then this right here turns right here. Of course, you're gonna have it this way if you're gonna record. You know, record like this, hold it. Or we're gonna do it this way. And have it just like this. But yeah, everybody, this is the video of the tripod. I hope everybody enjoyed this unboxing. So please like and subscribe for some more, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you later.